Tempering is the process of heating and cooling chocolate to form stable fat crystals. There are a few different methods to manually temper chocolate: tabling, seeding, and the kettle method. There are also tempering machines that are available. To temper chocolate using the tabling method, first heat the chocolate to 45 degrees over a double boiler until it is completely melted and smooth. Secondly, pour 2/3 of the chocolate onto a clean bench, leaving the last third off the heat in the bowl. Work the poured chocolate with a palette knife until it reaches 27 degrees, then add it back to the remaining chocolate. Stir it through and place it to the side. The chocolate should be 32 degrees. Tempering the chocolate will ensure that the chocolate will be shiny, solid at room temperature, and will also have an audible snap when broken in half.